Hello students, I hope you are well and also doing great. My dear students, in concept of derivative, today we will discuss or read about derivative of log. Derivative of log. Now what is log? Now if we have a raised to the power x is equal to n. Suppose a raised to the power x is equal to n, then log n to the base a is equal to x. Okay, it is logarithm. log क्या होता है बेटे? अगर हमें a raised to the power x is equal to n given था, मैंने log अप्लाई किया, then log n to the base a equal to x. Okay, here a is called base. A is called base. If suppose base are not given, sometimes base are not given. In such type case, we will suppose here e. तब आप क्या लेंगे उसमें e. And e is natural logarithm. E is natural logarithm. Now some property of log. If we have log a mn, log a mn, then we will write it log a m plus log a n. Okay. If log ab can be written as log a plus log b, but here base is a, so log a mn is log a m plus log a n. If log a m by n, then log a m minus log a n, but we will call log mn to the base a is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Clear? Log mn to the base a is equal to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Now log m raised to the power n to the base a. अगर log में पावर में गिवन है, then dear students ये कहाँ ले आएगा log? मल्टीप्लाई में. Then we will write n log m to the base a. यानी log के पास प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? वो पावर में ले जा भी सकता है और पावर से मल्टीप्लाई भी बना सकता है. Okay, now log ab into log, you can say log b to the base a into log a to the base a is equal to 1. Clear? And log a to the base a, both are same, then is equal to 1. Both are same, then also equal to 1. Now derivative dy by dx of log x to the base e, log x to the base e, that is 1 by x. Log x to the base e is 1 by x, but dy by dx of log x to the base a, log x to the base a is equal to 1 by x into log e to the base a, log e to the base a. Clear? Now one point keep in mind, if we have log b to the base a, if I will write it 1 upon, then it will change into log a to the base b. log b to the base a is equal to 1 upon log a to the base b. Clear? Let us see more example. Now, derivative of logarithm. Our first property is dy by dx of log x to the base a is 1 by x. If dy by dx of log x to the base a is 1 by x into log e to the base a. Log e to the base a. Clear? dy by dx of log fx. Now, यहाँ आपको बेस गिवन नहीं है. If base is not given, then we will suppose e natural logarithm. So such type case. Now log fx is, derivative of log fx is 1 by fx, but dy by dx of fx also. Clear? Now dy by dx of e raised to power x, derivative of e raised to power x is also e raised to power x, but dy by dx of e raised to power fx, then e raised to power fx, e raised to power fx, but derivative of fx also. Now dy by dx of a raised to power x, that is a raised to power x into log a. Keep in mind, derivative of a raised to power x, a raised to power x into log a. ये सभी आपने फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल से क्लास +1 में किया है. ओके. नाउ इफ dy by dx of a raised to power fx, then a raised to power fx into log a, but dy by dx of fx also. Clear? Now some example of derivative. Now we have some example for derivative. Now first is y is equal to e raised to power ax plus b. Now it is the example of dy by dx of e raised to power fx, and that is e raised to power fx into dy by dx of fx. So dy by dx is e raised to power ax plus b, e raised to power ax plus b, but पावर का डेरिवेटिव होगा dy by dx of ax plus b. You know e raised to power ax plus b. Now derivative of x is 1, so what is here? A, and derivative of b is 0. So our answer is e raised to power ax plus b into a. Now second part, y is equal to a raised to power 7x plus 4. Y is equal to a raised to power 7x plus 4. So its derivative is, you know, a raised to power x, dy by dx of a raised to power fx is a raised to power fx into log a, and dy by dx of fx also. So derivative of a raised to power 7x plus 4 is dy by dx a raised to power 7x plus 4 into log a and dy by dx of 7x plus 4. Clear? A raised to power 7x plus 4 into log a. Now derivative of 7x 7 and derivative of 4 is 0. So our derivative is 7 log a into a raised to power 7x plus 4. Now third part, y is equal to log sine inverse x. Which type property? dy by dx of log fx. Derivative of log fx 1 by fx into dy by dx of fx. Same here. dy by dx is log sine inverse x 1 upon sine inverse x. Now dy by dx of sine inverse x also 1 upon sine inverse x and derivative of sine inverse x 1 upon under the root 1 minus x square. Clear? Now fourth part, now y is equal to e raised to power x into 1 plus log x. So you know dy by dx e raised to power x, e raised to power x and into derivative of x in plus 1 plus log x. It means which property? dy by dx of e raised to power fx. So it is e raised to power fx into dy by dx of fx. Clear? So in each question you will write property also before start derivative. So here dy by dx is e raised to power x into 1 plus log x. Now derivative. Here we have two functions. So we will apply product rule. X as it is, derivative of 1 plus log x plus 1 plus log x as it is, derivative of x. So e raised to power x 1 plus log x, derivative of 1 0, derivative of log x 1 by x, 1 plus log x and derivative of x as 1. Now x cancel, 1 plus log x. Now you can find x 1 plus log x into 1 plus 1 2 plus log x. Clear? Let us see next example. Now we have y is equal to e raised to power 2 log tangent 5x. You know, if e raised to power log fx, then e log cancel and answer is fx. Answer is fx. देखिए we suppose y is equal to e raised to power log fx. Okay, we will apply log on both sides. क्लियर? नाउ log के पास क्या पावर है, प्रॉपर्टी है, वो पावर को मल्टीप्लाई में ले आएगा. log y is log fx into log e. You know log e is 1. We have log y is equal to log fx. Clear? taking anti-log both side, log will cancel and y is fx. So if y is equal to e log fx, then e log cancel. In this question e log कैंसिल नहीं होंगे क्योंकि ये 2 आ गया अपने पास, बट यू नो लॉग का प्रॉपर्टी है ये मल्टीप्लाई वाले को किस में ले जाएगा, पावर में. तो वी कैन राइट e रेज टू पावर log टेंजेंट 5x और इसका पावर कितना हो जाएगा 2. नाउ यू कैन कैंसिल e log, सो y इज टेंजेंट स्क्वायर 5x, tangent square 5x. Now you can do this derivative, and derivative is dy by dx 2 पावर आगे ले आए मल्टीप्लाई में 1 पावर लेस. ओके, नाउ derivative of tangent 5x, we have 2 tangent 5x and derivative of tangent theta secant square theta, but again derivative of 5x, 2 tangent 5x secant square 5x and derivative of 5x is 5. So 5 2's 10 tangent 5x secant square 5x. Okay, now let us see next example. Now first part is y is equal to cos inverse e raised to power x. Now you know derivative of cos inverse fx, dy by dx of cos inverse fx is minus 1 upon 1 minus fx square and dy by dx of fx. So dy by dx is cos inverse minus 1 upon under the root 1 minus ex whole square, but dy by dx of e raised to power x. Now you know minus 1 minus e power to power multiply 2x and derivative of e raised to power x, e raised to power x. So we have minus e raised to power x upon 1 minus 2x. Clear? Now second part, y is equal to sin log x. Now you know derivative of sin fx, cos fx means cos log x, but dy by dx of fx also. So it is cos log x and dy by dx of log x is 1 by x. So it have cos log x upon x. Clear? Now third part is if y is cos log x plus e raised to power x. So dy by dx is cos theta, you can say cos fx minus sin fx, minus sin fx. Now dy by dx of fx also. Okay, so minus sin log x ex, so its derivative log x 1 by x, e raised to power x, e raised to power x. Clear? Now we have done first, second, third part. Now fourth part, y is equal to sin into sin log x. Sin into sin log x, you can use by u formula also, chain rule. We suppose it is sine u, and where u is sine log x. Okay, so y is equal to sine u, so dy by du is cos u, but u is function of x, so du by dx is sine log x cos log x, and dy by dx of log x also. So my dear students, cos log x and derivative of log x 1 by x. Now you can multiply both. So dy by dx is cos u into cos log x upon x. So we can write 1 by x. What is u? U is sine log x into cos into log x. Clear? All the four parts are here. You can take screenshots. Okay, so we can do next question. Now we have first part, y is equal to log 3 to the base x. Log 3 to the base x. Now you can see here constant. 3 is constant, so we will change it into log x. Log 3 to the base x can be written as log x to the base 3, because one property is here. Log b to the base a can be written as 1 upon log a to the base b. Interchange with base. Now ये कहाँ है? डिनोमिनेटर में. किसमें है? डिनोमिनेटर में. डियर स्टूडेंट, इसको न्यूमिनेटर में ले आइए आप. हम इसको 1 पावर मानकर चलते हैं. कन्वर्ट इनटू log x to the base 3 whole power is -1. Okay, now differentiate. dy by dx is power in multiply 1 power less. Now dy by dx of log x to the base 3. Let us see again. Log 3 to the base x. We will write it log x to the base 3, but in denominator. Here power 1, in numerator power -1. Then derivative is -1 in multiply. -1. Now derivative of log x to the base 3. So it is -1 log x to the base 3 -2. Now its derivative log x 1 by x. No, you know, this is the part of, you can say, way of log x to the base a. Then its derivative क्या था? 1 by x into log e to the base a. So same here. Log x 1 by x into log e of base 3. Clear? Now minus, ये नेगेटिव पावर है, आप इसको बेस में ले आएंगे तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. x डिवाइड में है. log 3 को भी बेस में ला सकते हैं, तो ये हो जाएगा log 3 to the base e. 3e change into e3. Okay? Now you can do constant by using this type. Clear? Constant change into as function. Now second part, y is log 5x. Okay, so we suppose it is u. So we have y is log u of base 5, where u is log x to the base 5. यहाँ से डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? dy by du is 1 by u into log ये 5a की तरह कंपेयर करेंगे आप, तो log 5e and here du by dx log x 1 by x into log e to the base 5. Now multiply both, so dy by dx is 1 by u into log e to base 5 1 by x log e to base 5. Now we will start with 1 by x, and what is u? U is log x to the base 5. Clear? Log 5 can be written as log e to base 5 whole square. Now if you want to write all in denominator, then 1 upon x log x to the base 5. ये डिनोमिनेटर में लाएंगे तो आप इसको इंटरचेंज कर सकते हैं. We can write it log 5 to the base e whole square. Clear? Now our third part. Now y is equal to log x to the base 10, log 10 to the base x, log x to the base x plus log 10 to the base 10. So we can write log x to the base 10, log 10 to the base x. It is constant, so we will change it into 1 upon. 1 upon के केस में base 10 हो जाएगा और ये किसका मेन हो जाएगा x. You know if both are same, so it is 1. Here also same plus 1. So we have refined it value is y is equal to log x base 10. इसको भी आप ऊपर ले आइए. So log x base 10 raised to power minus 1 and 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 1 2. Now its derivative. Derivative of y is dy by dx. Derivative of log x 1 by x, but into log e of base 10 plus minus 1 is power minus 1 in multiply, then again 1 power subtract. ये तो किसका डेरिवेटिव हुआ? पावर का. अब हम किसका लेंगे? फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव. And you know derivative of constant 0. In next row dy by dx is 1 upon x. इसको आप डिनोमिनेटर में ला सकते हैं. log e 10 हो जाएगा minus 1 into log x, so base 10 raised to power minus 2. Now derivative of log x 1 by x into log e of base 10. इसको रिफाइन कर दीजिए. dy by dx is 1 upon x log 10 of base e minus, इसको डिवाइड में ले आएंगे तो पावर नेगेटिव है, क्या बन जाएगा? पॉजिटिव इंटू एक्स. इसको भी नीचे ले आइए तो ये हो जाएगा log 10 of base e. Clear? It is solution of derivative of this function. So my dear student, you will try such type example, but first try all example which we have done in our today's video. Okay? So you should revise and give your feedback. If you have any problem, can ask on WhatsApp number. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.